Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to cover the most popular topic right now, ChatGPT. If you don't know about ChatGPT, how to use it, and if you are beginners, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. So what you have to do if you want to use ChatGPT, you have to go into your Google Chrome, and here you have to type ChatGPT chat.openai.com. Okay, now here you will see like this two options. Now you have to, if you haven't create any account, means if you are a beginner, you haven't created an account. Now I'm going to sign up here in this. So now I have to sign up here, so I'm dot. Okay, now I am a robot, I am not a robot. Now click on continue. Now here you have to enter a password, so I'm going to enter a password here. Okay, now you have to click on continue. Now you have to verify your email from here, so I'm going to verify my email here. Open in Gmail and just verify my email like this. Now you have verified your email. Now you have to enter your first name. I'm going to enter my first name here. Okay, now click on continue, and now you have to enter your mobile number. So I'm going to enter my mobile number here on this interface. So now you will see that here are examples, capability and limitations. Okay, so now what you have to do, just ask any question. So I'm going to ask how much rupees in a dollar. Okay, the exchange rate of Indian rupees to US dollar is fluctuates constantly and is determined by various factors such as economic condition, government policy, and global market. So you will see that as of 2021, the exchange rate is around 73 INR to 1 USD. So you will see that it is this chat GPT is only updated as 2021. Okay, so now it will only give you the information uh, around before 2021. Okay, now I'm going to, if you are a student or any other and you want to write an essay, so now I'm going to say write an 2000 write an essay on AI. Okay, now you will see that it will write an proper essay on AI. Okay, intelligence or AI is a rapidly growing field that has potential to revolutionize the way we live or work. And its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machine that can mimic human intelligence and perform tasks that would typically require human condition. So okay, so it will create like this. And if you want to just explore more things, so now what you have to here, you have to type beta openai beta.openai/playground. Okay, now go into here. Now you will see like this. Now open here and you have to log in here again. So I'm going to log in. Okay, so here I have to enter my password. So you will see like this is beta version. It is only in the, this is latest. You will see that model, text model is text divinci 003 is latest one. You can use another things, and you can also here you can maximize the length of the answer. Okay, like this you can temperature and all these things. Maximize the length of, if you are want to write an essay for 2400, 4000 and above that, you can use this like this, maximum the length of answer. You can also frequent penalty, you can set many things here. So you will see that load a preset, you can use a preset text to command question and answer, like this which party did he belongs, like this you can do all these things. So like this you can use chat gpt as a beginner. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.